In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sections on Wix. Duplicating a section is a fast way to reuse a layout you already like. Great for repeating services, testimonials, or any design you want to keep consistent across your site. By the end, you'll know the exact clicks to make and what to look for, so you're confident you've copied the right thing. First, open your site in the Wix editor and head to the page that contains the section you want to read. Move your cursor over the section until you see a clear outline or highlight that indicates it's selectable. Click once directly on the section itself, not on a button, image, or text block inside it. You'll know you've selected the entire section when you see selection handles or a section toolbar appear. This matters because duplicating the section copies everything inside it. Backgrounds, images, text, and spacing, exactly as it appears now. With the section selected, use a right click to open the context menu. On a mouse, that's a standard right click. On a trackpad, a 2-finger click works the same way. If you don't see the menu, click once more on the section's edge to confirm it's selected, and then right click again. The goal is to bring up the menu that applies to the whole section, not just a single element within it. In the context menu, click Duplicate. The editor immediately creates an exact copy and places it on the page, typically just below the original. Take a moment to scroll and confirm you can see both versions stacked in order. Because the duplicate inherits all styles, it keeps your fonts, colors, spacings, and any background settings you've applied, saving you the work of rebuilding the layout from scratch. From here, you're free to adjust the new section while keeping the structure intact. This is especially useful when you want consistent blocks across multiple parts of a page and only need to change the content. If something doesn't look right, it usually means the first click selected an inner element rather than the section. In that case, make sure the section boundary is highlighted and repeat the right-click duplicate action. And remember, if you change your mind, you can remove the extra section without affecting the original. That's all there is to it. Select the section, right-click to open the menu, and choose Duplicate. It's a simple workflow that keeps your design cohesive and speeds up page building in Wix. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.